channel. If you are a new subscriber, you are highly welcome, guys. Today it's cat and dog raining everywhere. I'm here with my beautiful daughter. So guys, today I'm gonna be sharing with you what I have in my traveling bag. I told you I'm gonna be traveling, but it's just for 2 days, so I'm not taking any box suitcase with me. I'm just taking this bag, this beautiful bag with me. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you what I have in it, though I haven't put everything that I really need inside, but I'm gonna be showing you guys what's inside. So this is a gift bag. Put a gift because I'm invited to a birthday party, like I said, and you know now we can go to a birthday party without offering a gift or something. So this is me. So this is the gift bag. This is my bag, my purse to go with. Inside my purse I have my perfume, my guest perfume. Tu vas faire du bruit avec ça. My cream, a tip because obviously the clothes that I'm wearing, it's a body tip for breasts and all these other things. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. So a body spray inside. I'm heading out in a while, that's why this is why I'm dressed like this, guys. So temptation. So this is this. Someone actually asked me to bring this for them. So this is a plastic bottle with snacks inside, with chocolates inside. So this is the purse another purse that I want to push this one inside, so I could easily hold it in my hands like this. This is my outfits and my swimsuit that you'll be seeing very soon when I do in my next video, maybe. I ordered it on Shein, yes. This is my shoe to wear, my gold shoe. I bought these shoes on sale for Black Friday. I got these shoes at 40 euros. So I got this. So if I'm heading out, I will just put it very fast, slide shoe. Inside this box there is the birthday gift that I got. I can't open it now because I don't know anyone who's invited in that birthday will be seeing it right now, so I don't want to unbox this gift to show you guys, but pretty soon you will see what's inside. So in this Shein bag, I actually like this Shein bag, so when I'm traveling I can easily take this bag and go with. So inside this bag I have my eyeshadow, the palette of eyeshadow. I have a eyelash that I want to try on. I have never put eyelash, like I said in my previous video. So I'm gonna be trying these eyelashes. Hopefully I get someone to put it for me. Yes. And this is my waist chain. I bought a waist chain so I can wear. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it. And inside this, and inside this, I have anklets that my kid's dad bought me an anklets, and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna wait on that particular day. Yes. I don't want to wait now as yet. So. And inside, I actually bought a watch. And inside there is a little bracelet that came with it. I ordered a watch on AliExpress and it came with this little bracelet. So yes, inside this is this. Contagion, ladies. Contagion. So I got a clothes for I got these clothes because I'm actually getting there on a Friday. I'm actually reaching there on a Friday, and the Saturday morning I want to wear, if I'm going town, I'm gonna be wearing these outfits. And I'm also invited, like there's someone who's passed away, so I'm gonna be wearing this the same Friday night to show my condolences. My sincere condolences. I've got a towel inside.
You're going in the pool?
I got this body bath towel to scrub my body. So guys.
Mommy, you going in the pool?
Yes. So guys, I guess that this is it for now. I haven't put in my toothpaste, my roll-on, my deodorant, and this is just what I'm having in this bag. Though I'm traveling with this bag, but you know now when you are traveling, you must always bring something for this person, and this one. So this is it.
Where are you going to bed?
I'm traveling out soon. I'm gonna be telling you guys soon where I'm traveling to.
Yes.
It's just a few days from the big day.
Big
And
day.
this is my purse. Inside my purse, there's my Visa card, my ID card. This one I'm gonna be leaving it for my kids' dad. So if there is any situation where they are sick or anything, he could easily use this card. My passport is inside. I'm gonna be putting in my bag. I'll be going with a slight little bag just to go town and these places because it's not a long vacation. It's just a 2 days trip. And this is my tickets, my traveling ticket. So yeah guys, this is it. This is what I have inside there. And
how you have all that?
This is what I have inside. I'm gonna be traveling soon. So guys, this is it for this video. I just wanted to show you what I have in my traveling bag. I'm so excited to go because I'm gonna be seeing my friends. And this is it. I haven't fixed this bag as proper as it is, but then I'll fix it. Anyways, I will fix it again. And yep, this is just me ready to travel. Guys, this is the end of the video. Come and say bye. Come and say bye. Come. So this is the end of this video, guys, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in the next video. So please guys, don't forget to like
and subscribe.
Don't forget to like